Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Um, it's super easy and yeah, pretty quick. So let's get started. Okay, what you want to do is you just want to click on a chat, for example this one, and you want to click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe on Android it will look like a paperclip, but on iOS it is, and maybe Android as well, it is a plus icon. So you just want to click on that, and you want to click on location, and you can either choose send location or your live location. And I'm just gonna click on live location, and then you can choose when it expires, 50 minutes, an hour, or 8 hours. Maybe 8 hours is best, but you can choose for yourself. Then click on send, and this will send your live location on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.